Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to make a conference call on your iPhone, so you can talk with multiple people during a single phone conversation. So, let's get started. Open the phone app on your iPhone and call the first person you want to include in the conversation. You can select them from your contacts, recent calls, or enter their number using the keypad. Once the first person answers the call, look for the Add Call button on the call screen and tap it. After tapping Add Call, your first caller will automatically be placed on hold while you make the second call. Now, select the second person you want to add to the conversation. You can choose them from your contacts or enter their phone number manually. Wait for the second person to answer the call. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the Delft Stack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. Once the second person answers, tap Merge Calls on your screen. This will combine both calls into a single conference call. You, the first caller, and the second caller will all be connected together and able to hear and speak with one another. After the calls are merged, the conference call will continue until someone decides to leave or end the call. Keep in mind that conference calling features may vary depending on your carrier and mobile plan, so if you do not see these options, you may want to check with your service provider. That's it. You have successfully learned how to make a conference call on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.